Verification law. Ano po ang inyong reaction doon, Mr. President?
You know, in a democracy, officials are elected. And their duty is to do for the greatest good for the greatest number. You have seen people going wild, others hungry, because there is no rice. What the solution should be or will be for the Secretary of Agriculture to buy all. Magkano ba presyo nila? Magkano presyo nila? Bilihan natin. Lugi. Lugi talaga. Are we wasting money? No. We're wasting an industry. We are not wasting an industry. We are helping an industry.